So you're getting DJI's latest drone, the Mavic Air 2. A great choice. But should you get just the drone or the Fly More combo? Are you getting your money's worth with the Fly More combo? Let's find out. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology can enhance my time with my kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, let's see what more we actually get with the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. Are these extras useful? Worth the additional cost? I think the answer can be quite straightforward in most cases. When we buy the basic Mavic Air 2 package for $799 US, we get the following. The drone, Mavic Air 2 of course, the remote controller, one battery on the drone, a battery charger with AC power cable, 3 pairs of propellers, 2 pairs already on the drone with 1 pair to spare, 3 remote controller cables between the controller and your phone. 1 is already in the controller here. These cables have USB-C connectors on one end for the controller and either Type-C, Lightning, or micro USB cable for the phone of your choice. Another USB-C cable with USB-C connectors on both ends for charging the controller and the drone. 1 gimbal protector and 1 pair of spare controller sticks. This basic package includes everything we need to get the drone flying. What more then do we get with the Fly More combo at $988 US? $489 more, we get 2 more batteries. Each battery is $115. 3 more pairs of spare propellers. Each pair costs $11. A battery charging hub for up to 3 batteries. $59 if you buy it separately. Battery to power bank adapter, which allows battery to work as a power bank, $19. A set of 3 ND filters, ND16, 64, and 256 at $65. And 1 shoulder bag for $89. Adding them all up, if I were to get all these extras separately, it would cost $495. Putting the total cost of the basic drone package with all these extras bought separately at $1,294. So the Fly More combo offers quite a bit of savings at $988. That's a savings of $306. Great, right? But do I need all the extras or would I buy all of them separately? No, not really. Each time I fly, I usually use up to 2 or 3 batteries, so the first thing I get for sure will be the extra batteries. I also like to have more than 1 pair of spare propellers around, just in case I crash, which I never do, right? Or damage them by landing the drone in harsh environments. The battery charging hub is very convenient when you have more than 1 battery to charge. It charges the battery sequentially, so it still takes the same amount of time, but I can just put all 3 batteries in the charger at once without having to swap them out to get all 3 charged. I would not get the battery to power bank adapter since I already have many power banks. I certainly get ND filters for smoother cinematic footage, but probably not this set. For around the same price, I'd get the ones from Polar Pro, for example, which has a more useful range for me, like ND8, 16, and 32. The ones from Polar Pro also have polarization. The shoulder bag is a good one, but for $89, I'd probably go with the Peak Design Sling instead. I just did a more detailed video about the shoulder bag. I'll put the link here and down in the description if you're interested. So let's add them up again. The 2 batteries, spare propellers, and the battery charging hub will already cost me $332 to buy them separately. So even if I only get what I really want separately, the Fly More combo is still a good deal, costing me just $189 more instead of $322. $133 saving plus a few nice to have extras. To sum up, if you're buying the new Mavic Air 2, I recommend budgeting the $189 extra for the Fly More combo. I think most of us will end up wanting the extra batteries and spare propellers, if not immediately, eventually anyway. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share. Check out my Mavic Air 2 unboxing and first impressions video if you haven't already done so. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our time with kids and family, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.